Hello, folks. So today we found ourselves in South Florida, and on our way home, we decided to stop at Jollibee'S, which is one of the newest fast food places that has been opened up in South Florida. Jollibee'S is originally from the Philippines and it's world famous for their chicken. Let's check it out and see what it's all about. We've never been here before, so we just decided to do a little quick adventurous eating. Join us now.
And this bucket, okay? Just by itself?
Yeah.
Okay.
What? We've never been here before,
Uh-huh.
so
Which 10
We
piece
have
bucket
a
you
10
doing?
piece sriracha.
This is the first time
yes, please.
hopefully you guys like it.
We're hoping.
Our spaghetti is a bit sweeter than the usual American spaghetti. So be mindful that some people doesn't like it. Some people
We
do
heard
like
about it, so we're gonna try it. If it's really wacky, we'll give it to our son.
Which one?
The spaghetti.
it. I love people.
So that was our Jollibee's experience. Quick, fast service, and of course, you know, I forgot the rest of the review. Let's go.
So this is how the chicken came in like a bucket. A 10 piece. And the two sides were mashed potatoes and what kind of rice was this? Adobe rice. And then these are just some gravy. They serve on the side.
That's what come with the chicken, just gravy or ketchup.
Yeah, and then fries. And we also decided to try their famous
Wait, name again. Joshua, that's not my name again. Sausage something. Sausage and spaghetti, something like that.
sausage spaghetti.
We'd have to look on the receipt what it says.
Anyway, but this is how it looks.
With
With
little
the
cheese.
cheese on the top. No, too bad. You can't see the sausage, I guess, because of how much.
Regular Franks, like Vienna sausage.
Yeah. So yeah, if we're gonna dig in and let you guys know how it tastes. All right.
Gotcha.
Adobe rice.
I wonder if adobe rice is rice with adobe.
I don't think so. That's what I thought, but then no, I see some meat, like there's meat in there.
Let me see. Twirl it on the fork. So the spaghetti and gravy with sausage, it's sort of, it's just regular, it's sweet. Yeah, the gravy is really sweet. But aside from that, it's like regular sausage and bean we would make. You know, spaghetti and bean we would make our yard. It's very basic, except for the sweet sauce. The sauce is sweet. But I think the sauce is like the little girl at the store said she eat it all the time. Growing up, she grew up on it. So it's mainly what kids would make. But yeah, it's like nothing. Wait a Josh. What's your view of it? You would eat it again, right? It's not bad here.
I only took one bite. It's pretty good
Here,
for spaghetti.
for spaghetti.
It's fine. It would be
And-
good with some meatballs or chicken or something.
Right. And then this is the adobo rice.
There's something in there?
They got little sausages, little pieces of sausage in there. The adobo rice is like rice with a cooked with a gravy, like with a like seasoning. That's pretty much what it is. It's
I like it. It's like barbecue sauce.
yeah. The
type
girl
of-
said you would like it. Babes, you're gonna try this. For the rest of the stuff, it's their fries is a little bit unique. Their fries is like almost like hollow. It's just yeah. The fries is really spongy. It's like hollow.
I like that.
And their mashed potato is mashed. And so, yeah. Let me see what this young lady's saying. What do you say?
Tastes like spaghetti with baked beans.
Yeah, that's what it tastes like. Like spaghetti and baked beans. For real, for real, for real.
But I like how they do the spaghetti.
What?
It's kind of not. It's not. Soft.
It's not soft. Yeah. So that's what it is right there. That's what it is. And that's supposed to be one of the famous bowls that they have. For the rest of it is just chicken. So yeah, let's work on the chicken next. There's the chicken. Super duper crispy. Yeah. And hot. It's crispy and hot. Let's see who first is gonna get burned with this one.
It's not a formal thing. We just I don't think.
With us, I do some things, yeah.
This already giving me a seafood vibe. I don't know why.
The seasoning. It has an adobe seasoning. Josh, how your chicken in?
I like the chicken. I like the gravy with it.
Oh, okay. Oh, the adobe rice. It just tastes like black pepper and a whole bunch of stuff, don't it?
I can't
It's
explain.
like,
Like-
soy sauce and rice.
I
chili,
taste it.
or something like
Yeah,
that.
I can't explain what it tastes like. It's just rice with a little bit of flavor. I can't put my finger on what the flavor is, but it's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's good.
Yep. Guys, we're trying our best.
Rate the whole food overall.
Yeah. So, ratings time now. Joshua, what you say about ratings?
I think
Mind you burn up yourself, you know.
it gets a 6.5 out of 10.
6.5 out of 10. What was your best thing on the menu? That what we brought home?
The mashed potatoes and the chicken.
Mashed potato and the chicken. What about you, babes?
I would say 7.5.
7. You so generous? You love it that much? What was your fave?
Chicken.
Okay.
Chicken is perfectly cooked to the point where the meat is juicy and soft, but very crispy on the outside. Very well seasoned, but not overly salty. The only grounds I have with them is the fact that they only do dark meats, and I don't like dark meat.
Oh, you're racist.
I'll need to work on that.
My take on it was maybe 5.5. No, 6. I want to tell you why 6. Fast food, number 1.
Really?
Yeah. Number 2, a lot about them have me can just look about it. So it's not no big thing. You know? They made a whole restaurant out of where we cook our yard when we're hungry. You know, macaroni and spaghetti and tomato sauce with sugar and Vienna sausage. And then now the adobe rice is just rice and seasoning. I'm not discrediting the stuff, you know what I'm saying, because it's not as exotic as I thought it would have been. So yeah. And then the chicken is perfectly cooked. Can I give them props for them chicken? Them chicken turn all the way up. Them chicken nicer than most chicken where me see out there. Nah, call no name. The chicken is really good. But their follow-up stuff, the stuff that they have as sides to the chicken, is like regular things. So all my points is for the chicken. Then the next point is them sort of pricey. Don't babes. Sort of pricey. Yeah. The stuff was expensive, in my view, for basic stuff. So yeah, I would go back to Jollibee's. Definitely would go back to Jollibee's. I would get some more adobo rice. I don't think I'd get that pasta thing. And I would get some chicken. That's about it. So, big up on yourself, Jollibee's. When you come into the US, I want to make a headway. I don't know if you're giving us... Oh, listen. I'm going to add a whole point for that pineapple juice that they sell. I'm giving them a whole point. So it was 6, it gone up to 7. The pineapple juice was straight pineapple juice from the pineapple. No, don't babes. Yeah, so yeah, them gone up back to 7. Jollibee's on the bus.
You mentioned it was Filipino.
Filipino, yeah. So Jollibee's on the bus. Thank you guys for giving us some good food, and of course for giving us a good chicken. Jollibee's your chicken rock. The rest of stuff, meh, but the chicken nice. But I don't talk. And the gravy is okay. Gravy is good. You try with the gravy, babes?
It's a no for me.
Babes, try the gravy.
I do.
Oh, you don't like the gravy on it? You don't like gravy on nothing. She fight down the gravy. Every time she see gravy, she fight it down. She's a gravy fighter. Gravy fighter. She is a gravy fighter. She is a fighter. She fight down all the gravy, especially the white ones, because she's racist. Oh, yes. Wow. She don't like the gravy. Oh, yeah. Hey, remember, like, share, subscribe. Yardie TV. We're out there doing it like that. And of course, more things coming up in 2024. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Please and thanks. Big up on yourself. Jollibee'S on the thing, boss. Remember.